it's a privilege to be here today to share with you a sustainability educational initiative that I believe, and we believe that it has the potential to redefine how we teach sustainability to our business students and beyond. This project is in collaboration with B Local Illinois, which is a certifying body for the B Corporate Certificate, and with UIC Innovation under the leadership of Avi Meyerhoff, the Director of Corporate Partnership. When we talk about sustainability, our students genuinely care about the future of our people and our planet, and they love to be part of that change. They love to be the change makers. Too often, though, they encounter big ideas and ambitious slogans. Be sustainable, be impactful, change the world, save the planet. So what does sustainability actually mean to them and means to the world of the business? How do we move from inspiration to action? What does sustainability look like on a day-to-day basis of a company? And beyond theory, how can businesses truly become a force for good? This project empowers students to bridge that gap and to move from what to how, from words to a measurable action. In this initiative, our students, they work as sustainability consultants to companies who would like to be B Corp certified. And by a B Corporation or a B certified company is the company that integrates sustainability into their DNA. And the beauty about the B Corp is that it's unlike the fair trade, for example, labels that look only at one aspect of the business or one aspect of the environmental sustainability. It looks at a holistic view for the company, how they integrate the sustainability in 5 different areas, how they integrate governance mechanisms, how they treat their workers in an equitable and fair way, how they give back to the community, how they give back to the environment and minimize the impact of the environment, how they treat the customers in a fairly and in an honest and transparent way. It gives them an overall performance. Companies that we partnered with we're helping or we're partnered with our students in order to help them to leverage the B Impact Assessment, which is the assessment that evaluates the company on how well the performance is in terms of their sustainability impact. We worked with 8 different companies, B-certified companies. 74 students worked with the companies to help them to leverage the impact. We applied the stakeholder theory to leverage this impact, and the key deliverers for the companies were to give them impact and actual actionable impacts for the sustainability. That was a great experience for the students because they gained hands-on experience. They did different company visits. The companies visited us, and they talked about and they shared how do they practice sustainability. There was a media attention raising awareness of what our students are capable of doing and what can the companies are actually partnering with are doing. We received also an award, a national award about regarding these initiatives. And we received some scholarships as well from the companies that we partnered with. So we are very excited about the future, and we are very excited to scale up this initiative. Thank you so much for listening, and hope we start a conversation.